Welcome back to this course, Introduction to Careers in the Field of Information Technology. This course is a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. This is Session 5, System Administration, Topics and Jobs. Just to recap what we've covered so far, we had our introduction to the IT field, web application development, software engineering, and mobile applications. The topics we'll cover for this session: overview of system administration, popular job titles and job functions, programming languages and related jobs, and we'll have a summary. So system administrators typically install, upgrade, maintain, and monitor enterprise software and hardware systems. These systems depend on having a system administrator. They usually maintain the essentials such as the operating systems, build operating environments. System administrators support enterprise business applications, security tools and products, web servers and web application servers, email systems, workstations, networking, both local area networking and wide area networking, and also maintain the hardware and software layers of the networking, as well as mid-range server hardware. They can also get involved with cloud and virtualization. Most system administrators start their career by pursuing a degree in computer science, IT, or engineering. In addition, many system administrators get specialized training in certain systems and technologies and receive certifications in order to be fully competent in those products. A lot of these systems are very, very complex, and specialized training is required, and the certification is good for credibility. A common progression on the system administrator career path is to move on to become a systems engineer and then become a systems architect. So some popular job titles: a junior systems administrator. So this is a systems administrator that has little to no experience. A senior system administrator has some leadership, has a leadership role, and also is, again, looking after enterprise systems. Linux systems admin specialize in supporting the Linux operating system. Systems administrator, so that is a general title for somebody who supports enterprise software or enterprise hardware, or both. Cloud systems administrator specialize in cloud computing, which could involve a third-party provider. Often that is the case. IT systems administrator, more of a broad base, but typically this is associated with the more of the hardware and the computing field. Systems administrator lead, obviously this is a leadership role that looks for strategy and for budget and allocations of resources, and database administrators are specialized system administrators that make sure the database is backed up, make sure the database is built, make sure the data is being loaded properly, and also that it is available. So again, some of the job functions responsible for maintenance, configuration, and reliable operations of our computer systems, network servers, and cloud and virtualization. Also very important, install and upgrade components of the software. That is vitally important because that is one of the vectors for attacks, for cyber attacks. So upgrading and maintenance is very important, and also troubleshoot hardware and software errors by running diagnostics, looking at logs, having a relationship with the vendor, documenting problems and resolutions, prioritizing problems, and assessing the impact of issues encountered. They also provide documentation and technical specifications to the IT staff for planning and implementation of new products or upgrades of the IT infrastructure, perform or delegate regular backup operations, and implement the appropriate processes for data protection. This is big: disaster recovery, business continuity, and also failover procedures. And some other job functions: lead desktop and help desk support efforts, making sure that all of the workstation and desktop applications are are running problem-free, that any issues are resolved in a timely manner with limited disruptions. And they also have the responsibility for capacity, storage planning, and database performance. Here are some popular training courses and programming topics for system administrators. So we have database modeling, and database modeling is important because when you model your database, you'll know what data you need. SQL coding, so learn how to program program a database to insert data into the database and to query data from the database. NoSQL coding. NoSQL is a database, but it's a different type of database than a relational database, than a traditional relational database. The Linux operating system. This in and of itself is a responsibility and a role for a system administrator. Linux batch scripting. So this is Linux scripting, which is very, very useful. Server management via the Linux or the Linux shell or the PowerShell. So this will help system administrators automate some tasks. And below are some major certifications for Linux. So there's Red Hat Certified System Administrator or Certified Engineer, Linux Professional. You can also get your certifications from the Linux Foundation. So also something to look into is Intro to Cybersecurity, and to learn about the tools and certifications related to cybersecurity. Below are some major certifications for system administrators. So we have the CompTIA Security, the CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner, Network System Administrator, and Server System Administrator, and also AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Note, with the increasing number of cloud infrastructures and servers, many organizations are moving toward the Linux operating system. Proficiency in Linux is a must for all those interested in becoming a professional systems administrator. Coding boot camps. Here we offer a complete training for Linux coding and administration. So please consult your learning materials for more information on Linux and other courses. With the advent of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain, system administrator jobs are gradually shifting again toward cloud and DevOps. So we also offer classes in DevOps and cloud. So again, please look at your learning materials, consult your learning materials for information on these courses and other training. Likewise, administrating decentralized blockchain networks will soon become very popular. So here's what we covered in this session. We had our overview of system administration. We talked about job titles and job functions, programming languages, and related jobs. Our next session will be cloud technology, topics, and jobs. And again, please consult your learning materials for listings of these courses and others. Thank you for watching this video, and this video has been a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. See you at the next section.